Hi, my name is DaveQ. The kitchen light was not functioning properly. I turned off the light switch and removed the light fixture. I then turned the switch back on and used my voltage pen to confirm that I had power at the light fixture, which I did. I then proceeded to turn the light back off and confirm that I no longer had power at the light fixture. At this point, I began stripping the stranded wires and preparing my light fixture. The white and black wires I had already stripped when I started recording, which left my green wire left. It's 14 gauge wire, and so you use the 14 gauge stranded section, which is equal to 12 gauge solid, and strip the wire, and that way they had more wire that was able to connect when using wire nuts to connect the wires. I twist the ends of the stranded wire to help it have a better connection inside the wire nut. I use Twister's wire nuts and Ideal T-strippers. I make sure that my wires are lined up and I hold them with one hand so that the wires do not move back when I'm putting the wire nut on. After all the wire nuts are on, I pull on each of the stranded wires and make sure that they do not come loose from the wire nut. If you've done this properly, there should be a twist in your wires as seen in this example. I then finish installing most of the light fixture and turn the light fixture to 4K brightness, as that's where most people like it. I then turn the switch on to confirm that I connected it properly before installing the cover. Everything worked, so I went ahead and installed the cover and double checked everything before leaving. Thanks so much for watching.